Today we're going to install a new catalytic converter on a 2013 Ford Explorer. This catalytic converter is bank 2, which is the front one. Bank 1 is the one in the rear. Alright, so I got this one off already. Let's go ahead and throw this one on. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and transfer over the sensors. This one is bank 2. Let's go ahead and throw it into the bank 2. Then this one is bank 1. Let's go ahead and throw it into the bank 1. Alright. And go ahead and secure these using the oxygen sensor socket. Let's go ahead and take off all these stickers if you can. If not, they will get burned up. Alright, and we have the replacement manifold gaskets and the little connector gasket. Here are the part numbers. That's for the connector. And here's for the manifold. There's the part number. And excuse these wires, I do have them rigged up to a jump box, so we get some light in this bitch. Alright, so here's the manifold gasket. I'm going to go ahead and insert it. It's going to go just like so. Right in there. Alright, there it is. You can barely see it, but it's there. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert the manifold. Alright, so there it is. There it is. 3 nuts on top. 3 nuts on top. 3 nuts at the bottom. Got the first one there. And the second one there. I'll put the third one on right now. And I'm just gonna hand tighten everything. I'm gonna put the top ones on. I'm gonna put these bolts on right here. Those bolts are these right here. I'm gonna put these on into their place right there and right there, and we'll go ahead and secure everything. Alright, I got the 3 nuts up here. That's 1, 2, and 3 over there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and secure the bolts from the top, working my way down to the bottom, and then we'll start assembling everything back together. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and install this heat shield. We're going to grab the pigtail and slip it through. And there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, that go on to the manifold itself. Alright, these on top you'll be able to access from up here. The other 2 you'll be able to access from the bottom. You're going to be using a 10mm socket. So let's go ahead and put that on. And before we tighten these, I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom ones on, because when it's too tight, then you're not going to be able to screw them on. I think I forgot to mention that you got to lift the car up, secure it with the jack stand. But anyways, now that we're down here, you can see that we have a lot more access to this heat shield. So let's go ahead and put in the screws on this side and the other one on this other side. And now that they're on there, let's go ahead and secure them down with the 10mm socket. We're going to go ahead and start from the bottom and make our way up to the top. And now the ones on top. Alright, and once you have both of these secured, let's go ahead and put this line right here and secure it right here. Let's grab our pigtail and plug it in right here. Alright, now I guess we could start assembling all this, but let's finish the bottom first. Alright, now let's go ahead and secure our bottom bolts, which are right in there to the manifold. And there's 3 of them. 1, 2, and then there's a third one over here, right there. So let's go ahead and tighten those up. You'll be using the 13mm socket for this one. These you kind of have to get at a weird angle. Might just be easier to do it from the top. but I'm doing it from the bottom because if you let it go from the top, you have to come back down here to find it. So I'm just trying my best to try to do it from the bottom. Alright, once you have all the 3 bolts secure, go ahead and plug in the sensor. It goes right up there. Alright, now let's grab our new gasket here. And let's go ahead and put it on the exhaust pipe. Alright, and we're just going to go ahead and grab the gasket here and insert it into place right in here and just slide it all the way in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the bottom of the socket to kind of work it in there. Bring this back out. Give a little bit more slack. There it is. Alright, perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the exhaust pipe. You want to make sure you line up the back one as well, because that one we had a drop. And we'll go ahead and put in the nuts here and the screws, or the nuts on the other one as well. And I'm going to just spray a little bit of WD-40 on all these because they are all super dry and they're screeching. I hate when it screeches. All of these. This one back here too, especially these. Sweet. Alright, now let's go ahead and put everything back together. And we're going to be using a 15mm socket to screw these back on. And I'm actually using an impact wrench. So I'm going to go ahead and impact all this together. But as you can see, no more screeching. Well, you guys didn't hear it, but it was screeching. No more screeching, so now I should be able to put everything back together nice and easily. Alright, let's go ahead and move everything out and let's go ahead and drop the vehicle. Alright, now that we have the vehicle lowered, let's go ahead and put this intake back together. Go ahead and line it up with the back one first. Go ahead and press it on. And then we'll line it up here in the front. And we'll go ahead and put that on. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and secure this one and this one with a flat head. Alright, and after you have both of these tied down, let's go ahead and connect this pipe just like so. Ready to put our cover back on. Slip it in here. And this goes over the oil cap. Just like so. Grab your little locking pin in here. Screw it all the way down. And push this one in. Where you at? There it is. And you're set. Sweet. Now we're ready to fire it up. Make sure there's no exhaust leaks. And here we go. Sounds nice and quiet. Sounds healthy. Don't hear no exhaust leaks. Just perfect. Sweet. Now all we have to do is clear that check engine. There she blows. And we're set. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.